Okay. Look, Bemo, look. Sa, I, na, ga.
No. See?
Look, I, na, ga. Okay, letter I makes sound E, N makes na, and G makes ga. I, na, ga, ing. Okay, this is a common combination. I, na, ga, remember, I, na, ga is ing. Sa, ing, sing, look. Now, Maina Bird is singing a song. Can you sing a song, Bemo? Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Sing. Show Bemo. Dutu. But please hold properly. Is it even visible?
Yes.
Don't read the book now. Come. Read it. Very good. Bemo is singing. Okay, look. Wa, I, na, ga. Wa, I, na, ga. Ing. Wa, ing. Wing. Look, here's a bird's wing. Look, here's a bird. You're looking at the bird from above. Okay, the bird is flying in the sky. And we are above the bird. Wow. Okay, here's the bird's. It's the bird's tail. Wow, the bird is flying. Okay, wa, I, na, ga, ing. Wa, ing, wing. Look, here's the bird's wing. One wing, two wings. Wa, ing.
Baba.
Okay, look. Jet, very good. Yes, you read it. Okay, but now come and read this word. Come. Okay, show the word that Bemo was reading. Very good. Jet, a jet, pala, and a plane. Very good. Okay, now come and read this word. Come. Ra, I, na, ga. We already did it. Ra, I, na, ga. I, na, ga is ing. Ra, ing, ring. Look, here's a hand. Come, let's try to speed up a bit, okay? And here's a ring. See? The finger next to the little finger is the ring finger. But there's no reason that you only have to, there's no rule that you have to only wear it on this finger. You can wear it on other fingers. Ra, I, na, ga, ing, ring. Look, here's a ring. Okay, come. Now let's do some other common combinations, okay? Look. Sa, okay, Bemo, that word is done. We already did it. Come. Look here, look. Sa, ta. Yes, you're right. Jet, a jet. Very good. Now come and see this. Sa, ta is sta. Okay. Very good. Jet plane. Very good. Yes. It's done now. That word is done. Now come and read this new one. Come. Sa, ta. We already did it. Sa, ta. But you read this word first, then we'll draw it. Okay. Sa, ta is sta. Sta. Up. Okay, read this word. What is this word? Stop. Okay, look. You must stop. Look, here's a road. Okay. And Bemo, you must stop your scooter. Stop riding your scooter. Bemo is standing on the scooter. Stop your scooter before the road. Don't go on the road. See, on the road there are big vehicles like this car. Look, here's a big car. Okay. Don't go on the road. You can stop before the road, okay? Set up. Aditto, yete ka beta? Te pustak naka vachu. Pay attention to the video. Come. Stir up or stop. Okay? You stop on time. Look. Here is again. Stir. Stir. Duat, is it on? Is it visible? Need baga Aditto? Don't look down. Look at the video. Come. Stir. What if my hand is in the way or something? You must keep an eye on that. Come. Stir. Stir. A. P. What's the word? Stir makes the sound stir. Stir. A. P. What's the word, Bemo? Step. Look, here are some steps. Okay, Bemo is climbing the steps. Look, here is Bemo. Okay, here is Bemo's leg. Bemo is climbing. Wow. Wow, Bemo is climbing the steps. Stir, stir, apple, step. Okay. Look, here's another stir word. Stir, is stir. Okay. Stir, or, ma. What's the word? Here come. Stir, orm. Orm. Stir, orm. Storm. A storm is a event, is a weather event when there are big clouds and lots of rain and thunder and lightning. Okay, not the usual amount, a heavier rain and more lightning than usual. Okay, that's called a storm. Storm. Okay, here's a big cloud. Wow, many big clouds and lots of rain. Look, lots of rain and some lightning. Wow, so much lightning. Look, it's a storm. Be careful. Don't go out in a storm. Storm.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, a couple more. Okay. Look. L O N G. L O N G.
Baba, if you do those,
Long.
if you do those two words,
It's only a couple of the.
then you'll be repeating them.
No, the previous video was about it, isn't it? You
No.
stopped halfway through it.
Part 1,
That one we
part
won't. That
2.
one we upload. L on a g. Long. Look, here's a long river. Wow. See, rivers. Is it recording? Did you miss it again?
No.
Look, rivers start in mountains. Look, all the rain and the snow which falls in mountains
Okay, Baba.
will flow in different streams. And see, here are more mountains.
Okay.
So all the rain that falls in all this area will flow in a small stream and then join big streams. All this water will join into a big river. Wow, it's a long and big river. And the advantage of rivers like this is that they carry a lot of water, and then you can have a city. You can have a big city. Look, wow. Wow, you can have a big city next to the river. So, way more. Don't need to sing it again and again. L on a g. Long. L on a g makes om. Long. Look, it's a long river. Look, what other ong word can we make? Dudu, can you think of some? Don't erase that. Come. Yes, very good. That's a good one though. Okay, look. Okay, look. Wrong. Okay, wrong. See, wrong means something which you should not do or something which is not correct. Look, Vemu. On a g. The w is a little silent, okay, but maybe earlier people used to say wrong, but now they have just started saying wrong. Otherwise, why would there be a word?
Wrong.
Yes, many words are like that. See, TWO spells two, but we spell it as two. But if you look at other words, other languages like Hindi, which have a similar number system, the word is indeed do. Okay, so the original sound for two must have been do. You can see the same. You can see words like duo. Okay, duo means a group of two. Okay, so that's two. So you can see that the word for two. Look, why are you tapping on it? Are you playing with it? It should be clearly visible. Okay,
I know, it's very clearly.
and shouldn't be moving back and forth. Okay, ong. On is ong. Ong. Wrong. Okay, wrong. Wrong means something which is not good or not correct. Okay, which is dangerous. Look. What is wrong? Bemo.
Is this the last one?
Almost the last one. Bemo. Hitting people for no good reason.
Remember when we went to
Is
China
wrong.
and then he just walked out?
Yes. See, Bemo is hitting Dututai. That's wrong. On wrong. See, hitting people for no good reason is wrong. Dutu sarad basa beta the. Asa tirupane ala besa. Okay. Wrong. Come. Now only two more words. Okay, and we'll do it quickly. Come.
No more drawing.
What's the word, Bemo?
People.
No, let Bemo answer. What's the word? Paper. Look, books are made of paper. Here's a nice book. Wow. ABC book. ABC. It's ABC book. P-A-P-E-R, paper. Okay, come. Books are made of paper. Why are books made of paper? Because paper is cheap. If you made books in the old days, books used to be made of stone or material, or writing used to be recorded on stone or clay tablets or pieces of tree bark or animal skin.
Bamboo.
But these, yes, yes, bamboo. Yes, I guess
Bamboo
so.
is used in China.
Yes, but paper is also actually derived from bamboo pulp or tree pulp. But all of these materials, either they are expensive or they don't last long.
You said
See?
it, hurry up.
Okay, they need to better focus carefully. So that's why paper is a good invention, because it's cheap and lasts quite a while. So it makes it easy for information to be transmitted. See, paper, printing press, these are very famous, very useful inventions because they drop the cost of spreading information. See, information is extremely useful, isn't it there? But if it is very expensive to copy or to store or to produce or to distribute, then it cannot reach many people, isn't it? So inventions like paper or even more printing press, the printing press, these are very these have changed the course of history. Okay, here you come, the last one. Look, G, L, A, S, S. What's the word, Bemu? G, L, A, S, S. What is it? Glass. Glass. G, L, A, S, S. Glass. No, Bemu, don't erase it. Come, Bema. No. Writing it. I want to write it. I want to keep writing. Bema, look, show Bemu's finger. Look. See? Come now.
Where? I didn't see it.
Where did you capture it then?
Look nice in the dress.
Yes, very nice. Girl access a glass. Okay, look right properly. Glass. Look, here's a glass of juice. Yes, wow. Here's a glass of nice fresh orange juice. Look, Bemo is drinking the juice.
Those are just dots.
Here's Bemo. Look, here's Bemo. Bemo is getting ready to drink the juice. Look, Bemo is smiling. Wow, Bemo, come and drink the juice. Wow, Bemo, drink the juice. Look, here's Bemo.
Done.
Look, Bemo and my lips, they... Girl, as a glass. Look, Bemo is looking at
Okay,
it.
that's it.
Okay, go. Okay, go. Go and